Samla pule North Eastern Hills University Students Union NEHUSU haka arpunriu terik risau kila lektur syaukyang nang ba all guest house and auditorium bandawa na vice chancellor ba unmi bat kren syaki Samla pule halor ki marjing dawa ba pher.
Can I make one request? This is the last item. Can you kindly just hold few minutes? Education Minister, listen. Education Minister request you, our Honorable Education Minister here is with us. He requested you just to keep just silent for a few minutes. Yeah. So he will meet you after this function. Education Minister will meet you after this function. This is only vote of thanks. Just hold for a minute. This is a request. Please. This is a request. Please. Just listen. Wait there. So he will meet you after this function. So he will explain whatever you want to them, to the Education Minister as well as to all.
Hakane ka singi ki Samla pule kila pelong shwa da kajinga ipaiba na Central Library hadu ka Office Trekam Administrative Block Henry namar ba UVC umdan ha office kila ya ipat syaukyang nang ba guest house bat auditorium hadin ba kiliyo jingtip ba udan hakane ka jaka badan ka program. Nakaliang ki Samla pule kila syem ya kane karai ban lektur sya kane ka jaka hadin ba UVC syam la menjor ban ya kren halor ki marjing dawa ka bakentup ya ki kam ki bayde bat ki hostel ki dawai ha ki jaka sumar karukom ay ki jingbam babha ban penyo wifi ka library ba kerpang na ka benta ka School of Technology SOT bat ban wengkam ya urohir prasan.
Brutality! We shall fight, we shall win! Marching for our dignity! We shall fight, we shall win! We shall fight, we shall win! We shall fight, we shall win!
Ki Samla pule hadin bakila poy ha ketega jaka nakaliang VC udang don haka program hapo bat ki Samla kimla ban am kilatur syapo ka jaka pelong jialang jong VC ha Meghalaya don lang menteri ka sorkar bakmi ikatnat pule puti urakam sangma hapo ukyang nang ba guest house nalor kata ki don ru ki Samla pule ki bala kerkut ya ka jaka long jialang bat kila don ru ki bala rung syaki we ki benta ke guest house ban perta slogan ba pendremnya VC ka nehu. Hadin bakut kani ka jialang nakaliang VC ulami syabar banyak keren ki mat dawa ka jongki. Ha ka ba kalami ru ka jiania ha pedeng VC bat ki Samla pule jong kani ka school ba.
Regulation circulated to all the members. If you want a copy, I can provide you a copy. If students want a copy, I can provide you a copy. And which norms the decision has been taken. This is not a decision of the Vice Chancellor. This is a decision of the Executive Council. And we already taken this decision in the Executive Council. And the date, I'm not able to remember at the exact date at this time, but I can give you the date and meeting of the Executive Council. And you know that the Executive Council is the highest body.
The simple questions is that why is there no advertisement for appointing Rohit Prasad if it's even the contractual basis also? You pay him, listen, you pay him 75,000 plus DA. Even the teachers.
Listen me, no. I'm here. Finance officer is there. You can go and ask the finance officer. You ask him. Any kind of DA given to him. Any kind of DA given to him. We are giving to the even Mr. Rohit Prasad. Any kind of DA.
It's not everything to ask him. We ask him.
No, actually, I already asked.
Okay, sir,
That's
don't
what I'm
twist,
saying.
don't try to twist, sir. Simple question, why is there no advertisement? Just answer that one.
Actually, Vice Chancellor have the power under the Act to run their work. He can appoint. And this is
Misuse of power. Ship on you. Misuse of
yes,
power.
listen. This is already the provision given in our Act. Please read the Act.
Please state us which act, number one.
Yes. Yeah, of course. Yes. Read right. I will give you the Act.
I'm not done with my
Yes.
question.
One by one. Ask me the question. I am ready to give you the answer.
Number two, which position are you filling him for?
Yeah.
Which position are you
This
filling
is
him
it.
for?
Only जो है.
No, I'm asking you which
technical
position.
assistant. Technical
Then what is
assistant.
computer center doing? What is safe doing? What is IT department doing? If you are appointing.
No. IT department have different kind of work.
And-
Take 1 minute. Just either you speak or me speak. But one can speak, no one may listen. So either you listen, I listen.
Okay, you speak.
Okay, no. The appointment of the जो है Mr. Rohit Prasad is under the rules. Number one. I will give you the copy. Under the rules. Okay. Under the rules. That is not beyond the rules. Second thing is, yesterday we already circulated all the things in the public domain. If you want a copy, I can provide you a copy and everything is there. And the qualification of Mr. Rohit Prasad before joining this university, this is in the interest of the university. He was as the technical consultant in IIT Roorkee to maintain the different activities of the students. Mr. Rohit Prasad appointed here on the contract basis, and he is already doing. That's why I was in position to conduct a employment fair in the campus of the NEHU. All of you are the witness of that.
Okay,
All
sir.
of you are the witness of that. The first activity. Second thing is, after joining of the जो है Mr. Rohit Prasad, NEHU is able to develop their own app with the help of the student. All of you are able to know about the NEHU app? No. Yes. No. Yes, everybody. You can ask your Dean Student Welfare. We already wrote a letter to put up this app on the जो है Google. You can download that app. You can use your own app.
So that
You
means, sir,
can. Yes. Second thing is, third thing is the main problem our students. We already assured our students the university is going to develop a new system for the colleges, and we already जो है developed जो है one portal for the affiliated colleges students. And after some time, we will able to जो है even facilitate our students. They can even print their mark sheet from any जो है place of the जो है country or the Meghalaya. Need not to always visit for their certificate or mark sheet in the campus of the NEHU. This is the real contribution of the जो है Mr. Rohit Prasad, and rigorously he is doing the work. And the already जो है even IIT, he maintained the one IIT team. IT team is already working, and not only NEHU Prasad, he is working along with the student of this campus. He is already working with the campus.
So, from our side, we request to create one NEHU mess committee to ensure the quality and standard of food within the hostels.
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking for something out of the blue, sir.
Okay,
Next one.
under Professor Mao, you can. I am able to constitute a committee under your leadership. I'm ready to constitute. That's okay.
Okay. Next.
Yes.
Ensure proper Wi-Fi access.
Yes, sir.
That one, sir.
Wi-Fi access is already taken a decision. I1 is leaking. Yes. First, we will discuss the I1. Just like you can constitute a committee, we'll going to discuss with the जो है I1. If there is any problem, as per the suggestion of the committee under the chairmanship of Professor Mao जो है, we will take the decision.
So till now, the committee hasn't been constructed, right? Yesterday.
I think I don't know. I don't know. Actually, this is
meeting is there day after
coming,
tomorrow.
yeah.
They have to
Yeah,
Because
tomorrow,
this one we have
tomorrow.
discussed. It has been almost been 6 months. It's not a new one.
No, actually not new one. First, we already solved the जो है even problem of the Wi-Fi in different hostels. Second thing is proper Wi-Fi. What is the problem there? Where is the problem? Then they can find out the problem. No? But immediately it cannot be done. No?
Please allow the committee to work.
We need more routers per floor.
That's the only solution, sir.
Yeah?
More router per floor.
Time and
More
time.
devices.
Give us time. When we always
Money is
protest,
required, no.
you always
First
said that
time,
you need
no,
time.
1 minute. First time, the University Grant Commission given the जो है money in 2012 or 13, as I remember, 2013. After that जो है, even UGC Grant Commission never जो है given a single pipe for Wi-Fi purpose. So, ask to understand the situation. No?
Oh, okay. Then tomorrow we'll have another agitation.
Bigger one.
Double.
The student, I'm not going to tell any lie. This decision already has been taken in the executive council. We can take any decision in the executive council. Before that, we are not able to take any decision.
What we want is that he should be fired today midnight. That's all.
No. This is useless.
Wait. Let me say one thing, sir. Law department has got a library. It's a department, and we as a school, architect department also. Architect also has its own library, and SOT as a school as a whole, we doesn't have a library, and we are also facing the same problem as the other department that side because their central library is too far.
Can I reply?
This is actually the matter is concerned with the
See, this matter was raised by the students last time also when we had a meeting along with the registrar. Okay, and I brought it in the heads meeting, and then it was resolved that there is no adequate space to establish the library, SOD library there in School of Technology. Why I am telling you? Over the last 17 years, we have procured so many books, and now we need a larger space to accommodate all this. That is, pardon? Yeah.
In the year 2017-18,